Here we have a KENWOOD 8021 and we've just installed it into a VW T5. And there it is in all its glory, sat in the dash. Got a fascia around it that's allowed it to go into the vehicle and look like it's part of the furniture. So we can do our phone calls, we can access our music, we can access our maps, among other things. It's easy to swipe through. It has a digital radio.
Play and why?
So we played so many gigs, we've been a band for
Just turn that down, a bit too loud. So you can get stations in alphabetical order. It's really easy to use. You just pick one, press and hold, and that's programmed in. It has a good equalizer, so lots of fun to be had with that. Keeps everything in one place, nice and organised.